Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. So, you'll have to forgive me, I filmed a video in the garage and unfortunately, because of the rain hitting the garage roof, it's a metal roof, you can't hear a thing. So, I'm editing the video on my break at the moment, so you'll have to just put up with me cutting in and out because the rain it's just unbearable. I wouldn't want to put that on YouTube. It annoys me, so I won't want to deafen you with the noise of the rain hitting the roof. So yeah, this video is me mocking up the back end on the Mini just after I've fitted the rear valance, just to make sure everything still lines up. So that's rear lights, tailgate and bumper. So I hope you enjoy. So again, you're gonna have to forgive me here. I'm trying to voice over because of the rain. So what I've done here is I'm trying to fit the rear tailgate. I did fit the bumper first like an idiot, so I had to take that back off, so don't you do that. So here's my hinges off my 89. You can see the side to side movement there. You know, they're old, they're tired, they're original, but yeah, you can see it quite clear there. So what I did is I went on mini spares and I ordered some nice shiny new ones. I didn't go for the chrome ones, I'm not a fan of chrome, so they'll be painted, but a lot less side to side movement. And what else did I get? Oh, I also got the gaskets as well. We come with all new nuts and bolts. So yeah, hopefully we'll get that mounted. Well, we do, don't we, because I'm editing it. So there we go, as you can see, it's all fitted on now. Looks really good. You have to ignore the number plate. That's off my 1989 Mini. It's no longer with us. As you can see, it fits really well. The colour match is amazing. Much better than Alex Toon's Cooper colour match, to be honest. I mean, can barely tell the difference on that. It's got a couple of scabs on the actual tailgate itself, but again, just a quick rub down and hopefully that shouldn't need a new skin or anything like that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty well there. It's finally got a backside. Right then, so I've jacked the car up here just to have a look, because I've got my 10-inch banded steelies there, and before I order tyres for them, I want to make sure they fit, because I've just got this strange feeling in my head that they might not fit for some reason. I run the 7.5-inch brake conversion, so you can join me on this journey and let's see if they fit. So I've managed to get the wheel on there. It's only got 2 wheel studs in for now, and take my time for some reason getting round here. Make a lot of noises. But yeah, so at this point I think it fits. It does seem to, but as you can see there, it's catching, it is dragging. I think it's just catching the caliper. The disc there is absolutely nowhere near, loads of space, but it is catching on the caliper. Now you can't see very well in this clip, so what I'll do is I'll put a better clip in so you can actually see what it's catching on. So you can see in this video here, this clip, you can see how it's just catching that caliper there. So there's a couple of options really. You can shave them down or you can fit spacers, but as you can see, it's definitely catching the caliper there, which is weird because they are standard calipers. So yeah, I take the wheel off to actually see what it is hitting, and it is just catching on them little lips there. But they are standard wheels. I know they've been banded, but they are standard wheels and they are standard calipers. So what I'll do is I'll bring the camera in so you can have a closer look. So you can see here, it is catching across the whole of the caliper there. So I'm not sure a spacer's going to do it. I'll try some washers on the end, on the studs there, and if it does work, then I'll get some longer studs and we'll add a spacer, but I don't think it is going to work. I think the caliper may need shaving slightly, just to knock that edge down a bit to stop it from catching. So there, let's say it's a 7.5 inch Cooper S conversion, and the wheels are 10 inch. That axle bolt there is not tight at all, but that's not making any difference at all. So yeah, Mr. Toon has sold me some wheels that don't fit my Mini. It's not very nice of him, is it? I don't know, you just can't trust these people. Meant to be friends, aren't they? So there you go. Not everything fits straight off the bat, you know, there's some adaptations to be made. I'm more verging towards the side of just with a quick I've got the finger sander or I've got the flap disc on the grinder, just a quick whiz over, and I don't think that's going to be an issue. But Mr. Toon sold me a set of dodgy wheels, I think, so can't trust that guy, just can't trust him. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to see if the back end all lined up and everything after doing the welding, because you know you can distort the panels and everything fit as it should do. The boot's just catching slightly, so I just need to move them hinges up slightly, and I think that's it really. So I apologise for all the voiceovers and me cutting in here while I'm on my dinner now, editing this video. But I just can't film in there with that garage roof. So hopefully, I've been speaking to a few family members and friends and stuff, and hopefully we've come up with a solution for that. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys. I hope you have a great Christmas, great New Year, and have a great day. Thank you.